Hi, thanks for joining us. In this video, we're going to talk about the Webtelligence Quick Order Pad. It works great for customers who are familiar with your products and want to get an order in quickly so they can get back to work. So one of our customers, Celtic Distributors, has a good example of the Quick Order Pad on their site, so we're going to use that to demonstrate how it works. Celtic is the exclusive Honda engine supplier for British Columbia, Alberta, Northern Saskatchewan, and the Yukon, and they've been a Webtelligence customer for several years. The Quick Order Pad is available for their dealers to look up parts, check availability, and to place orders. Keep in mind as you go through this that we can make the form look any way you like and display the fields that are relevant for your customers and for your business. So anything that makes sense for your business, we can design this form to do that. So in this example, to look for a specific product, we click in the part number field, and we can enter a few characters that will trigger the Smart Finder. So for Celtic, we've instructed the finder to look at a few different fields to provide feedback. For example, you can type in any part of the item description or of the part number. So in this example, let's type in a few characters of the part number, and then we'll get a selection list of everything that satisfies that criteria, and you can select from that list. Now, I could have just as easily typed in something in the part description and got back a similar result. So again, here is that product, but searched in a different way. So you can search in a number of different ways depending upon how we've designated the Smart Finder to look. And in this case, what Celtic has done, they're storing their competitors' part numbers in an optional field, and we've instructed the Smart Finder to look at those fields as well. And if somebody types in a competitor's part number, we will return their equivalent part number. So it's really effective for them and for their customers. So once the product is selected, you can also hover over the thumbnail there to get an enlarged view of the product, so you get to see a bigger image of what it is you're ordering, just to verify that you've got the right thing. You enter the quantity number here. And we also, in this case, we're showing the availability of that particular product. That's your choice. You don't have to do that, but some folks find that it's important for their customers to show availability, and that's an option for you. So there's another interesting feature on this site, and that is the ability to show either the retail price, which we're doing now, or you click on the radio button here and you can now show the dealer net. Now, the reason that Celtic wanted this was so that their dealers, when they're working with one of their customers, can actually turn the screen and show the customer the items that they found and at the retail price as opposed to their cost for that item. So it works really well for them. So once they've got the the item in that they want, they can simply click onto the next line, continue entering items in the same fashion, and once they're done, they simply hit the Add to Cart button, and then another screen pops up giving them the opportunity to review, make any necessary changes that they want to do. They can clear the cart, or they can go back and continue shopping and continue to add to that order. When they're finally finished, ready to go, they simply hit the checkout button. This brings up the final screen prior to actually submitting the order, giving them the opportunity again to make any necessary edits. They can change the ship to address. If that particular customer has multiple ship to addresses, you can select those here. They can enter a purchase order number, any notes or other comments that might be shipping instructions or other notes and whatnot to send to the folks who are processing the orders. And that's pretty much it. They hit the place order button and off it goes automatically into your order entry system. So nobody has to rekey anything in the back office. There's no import, there's no export, no download, nothing like that. The Webtelligence platform handles everything automatically. We'd also send a confirmation email to the customer and to a designated email address on your side. So as long as the customers have access to the internet, they can place orders any time of the day or night and from anywhere. And they can use any device as well. That could be a desktop machine, it could be a laptop, it can be a tablet, or even a smartphone. We design all of our screens to be responsive, which means that they will adapt to the device that the customer is using at that point in time. So we'll always serve up the best possible experience depending upon the device that they have. And that's it. That's the North 49 Quick Order Pad. It can be a really great service to your repeat customers. So thank you for watching, and please check out our other videos on the North 49 Customer Portal and on Webtelligence.